we did a let's get our life together day. Not saying that we've had it together at all, but let's just acknowledge the space that we're in. It is one in which we heavily need to get our life together. I traveled over the weekend. I went to my girlfriend's bachelorette party. I had the time of my life, but I've like never laughed, danced, and screamed so hard and eaten so many fried pickles. And we need to set that record straight. We need to set it back to straight. Okay, we got this. We got it. We got it. Life is all about balance. Okay? I feel like as much as I want to like jump right into being productive, I'm just like having like weird anxiety. I'm actually usually not the person that like gets out of bed and like goes and like on a walk or something like that, even though I know it's the right thing to do, but it's actually something I've like learned to do in the past few months. Whereas obviously I used to just lay in bed all the time. And so not only does like my body not like feel like 100% just in a sense of like traveling and staying up late and stuff like that, and I kind of have to do like the health and wellness reset. It obviously affects your physical body, but it affects your mental health. I did a podcast episode about how like when you're anxious, you're bloated. When you're bloated, you're anxious. So I just feel like as much as like I want to just kind of like do stuff around the house, like I just don't feel 100%. And part of me is kind of like, I gotta go. And so I'm gonna go on a hike and hopefully it makes me feel a little better. Fingers crossed. I know I'm okay, but I definitely like don't feel great. So, you know, I wasn't kidding about being anxious when I ran most of my hike. It's pretty epic for me. And now my ears closed. Honestly, it feels good. It works. We're on to something. Pretty much always make the same smoothie, but I haven't showed you guys in a while, and I've switched up a couple things. So I'm gonna show you guys what I do. And it just got like so gloomy. It like knows that we don't want to do anything today, you guys. It knows. I always do the same thing. And the sad part is that I don't really have a recipe. I kind of just do it the same-ish way every time. I like to have a banana in it, but it's like the only thing that is not usually frozen. And so I've started buying more like frozen stuff. I know probably not the best, but I think it's fine. And I try to get at least fresh kale and spinach, but I always have some in the freezer just in case. This is basically just how I get like a ton of nutrients in one thing. So I love drinking smoothies, but I also love how you can jam pack so much more calories, nutrients, just all that stuff into it. So it really kind of gives me like a boost and a mood booster. So I do just like some almond milk. Put the powder in first. This is the Sakara Metabolism Super Powder. I've been using this since they launched it. I'm obsessed with Sakara. Their clean boutique is absolutely amazing. And the reason I like their Metabolism Super Powder is because it's super easy to put into a smoothie. Or you can also just like honestly like blend it like this if you wanted to, if you're too lazy. I love Sakara's ingredients, and I feel like it's like good for kind of like sluggish digestion, just like energy, sugar cravings, stuff like that. And so when you've had kind of like a long weekend, or even just after quarantine, if you kind of want to like jump start and get back on track, you will start noticing the differences. I actually got the little brochure since I had to order a whole new box of it, because I went through the box during my month break. And so this time I got a box and a bag so that I could use this since I'm traveling a little bit more and I want to just mix it on the go. So after your first serving, it has a natural diuretic, helps your body flush out excess water retention. You'll start to feel less bloated, which is exactly what I need today. And you'll feel even less bloating over time. And then after 3 days, you'll feel more energized because it has L-glutamine in it, which is one of my favorite ingredients of all time. And after 5 days, by this point, you'll probably be noticing reduced appetite, fewer cravings, and it has like all this information on it. Oh my God. I'm going to just use a packet since I'm lazy today. I do it over since I'm probably gonna spill some. I just do the whole packet. And then, like I said, we are gonna jam pack it. Ugh, I need more kale. Lucky for you freaks, I went to the grocery store. Get yourself back on track. Fresh air, fresh space, fresh body, fresh experiences, fresh food. Did I say fresh food? I said fresh air. We're gonna get crazy. Because you guys, spinach, you won't even taste it. You just put it in there. And like, look how many nutrients you're getting. I'm not a nutritionist. I don't know. This is just my life, right? Take it or leave it. So sometimes I won't do as much kale if I know I'm having like a kale salad later. But let's be honest, most of the time I don't want to eat a salad. So this is a lifesaver. It is so hard to find freaking avocados that are just like ready to go and not brown and disgusting. So the moment I saw this, sorry Charlie. And so I do like what would look like a half of an avocado.
Yeah. And then I like blueberries a lot. I feel like they go well with like whatever we're doing. And so I just feel as though they deserve to go in here. And look at how cute they look. Doesn't this just make you want blueberry pie? Oh my God, that looks amazing. That looks amazing. And if you're feeling like you need like a little extra like sweetness and sugar, throw in a couple straws. Just throw in a couple straws. Let's do 3. We're feeling crazy. If you want even more sugar, throw in a little honey. I won't judge ya. I do it sometimes too. If it's getting a little, you know, whatever. Make it taste good. I don't care. Oh, your tummy really hurts? You really want a deep blow? Let's get some ginger. Also a lifesaver. Put about 2 or 3 cubes in there. Also found this on Instagram. Just get it from Trader Joe's or Whole Foods. It's literally just crushed ginger. Let's just make our lives easier, okay? And then sometimes you're like, this isn't gonna go over well. So then you do one of these. And if you don't have enough frozen ingredients, just add ice. This feels like it. Like this feels like this is going to revive us. It's gonna bring us back to life. It's gonna be amazing. Fill her up. As you can see, I obviously need to add more milk, but also it's because it's so frozen that like maybe if you like let it like sit out, go take a shower and it'll like defrost a little bit, it'll probably be easier to whatever this is called, blend. You won't need as much almond milk, but whatever. I also put a discount code if you guys want to try the metabolism powder on screen for Sakara. I highly recommend it. It will also be linked in the description box, and it just adds like honestly a better flavor to the smoothie as well. Oh, we're a little short today. Okay, nothing to freak out about. I know it probably like looks so delicious. I know your mouth is just like watering right now. We're gonna shower and attempt to clean out all of my luggage from traveling. Play Fearless.
Taylor's version.
Yes, yes, play Taylor's version. I unpacked everything and then I opened a ton of packages with new little goodies. I got some Reformation dresses, some new Orbe serum, couple other tops. How cute is this little palette though? Like, can we talk about the palette? Yes, spring is here, ladies. I feel like it's like cute girl spring, hot girl summer. I don't know, let me know how you feel about it. I literally feel so much better after taking a shower. Just having a smoothie and just going on a hike, and we're gonna do a little ab workout later. It's not a real vlog if we don't get in the closet and go do a podcast, which I feel as though is gonna be like a therapy session for me. I don't know. So I did take a nap, so my hair dried really great. You know, sometimes self-care, my therapist always tells me this, is like, if you feel like napping and you're gonna feel better after you nap, let's not judge. Self-care isn't always a face mask. Sometimes it's literally taking a nap. But I did figure you guys would want to see my skincare really quick, so I'm gonna show you what I've been using. You can honestly like hear my voice going away, and my nose is like looking really weird, but like cute at the same time. What? I'm putting my stuff away, and I wanted to show you guys that this Blemish and Age Defense, this is salicylic acid treatment for aging skin prone to breakouts. This has saved my skin. And then this is the SkinCeuticals Discoloration Defense. So these are the two like kind of like pricier serums. And I've actually had them for a few months and there's still like a really good amount left. This serum I got for hydration because I haven't been really using a ton of moisturizer. Been getting a little sweaty from like hiking and being outside so much. So I've been using this plant stem cell peptide serum from Biba. And then this is also on the blog post. This is amazing. It feels like liquid silk. It makes you wake up in the morning looking like $1,000,000 freaking bucks, like literally. So this is the Retinue Skin Renewal Retinol Serum, smooths, brightens, and targets fine lines. And then if I am like really dry or I need some extra hydration, this is kind of just like a holy grail moisturizer that I clearly got so dirty. I think I forgot to put the deodorant cap on because I'm really good. This is the Biba Cream Barrier Cream. Hailey Bieber uses this in her skincare video, and a little bit goes a long way. There's a lot of product in here. Rosie Huntington also really loves this, and she has acne prone skin. And then I think I'm going to just read a little bit and watch TV because I like kind of just like taking it easy. As long as I get a few of my habits and rituals done, which is like freshening everything up, cleaning the house, making something nutritious, getting out of the house a little bit. I know if like I'm having a day where I'm having like a lot of anxiety or stress and I just need to like reacclimate to my surroundings and just feel good for a second, it's actually much healthier for me to take it slow and not be so hard on myself and just kind of rest so I can wake up really refreshed and rejuvenated in the morning doing, instead of like being so hard on myself and being like, okay, you have to get back into every single routine, like judgmental if you don't. I just sometimes like kind of like easing back into it. It took me a long time to figure that out, which I know sounds shocking, but I'm someone who's very hard on myself. And so now it actually is better if I just like take it easy. So that's kind of just like a little, I guess, like post-travels anxiety self-care day vlog. I know I said I'd go back to more weekly vlogs, but the last couple weeks have been crazy and it's been hard jumping right back into YouTube. So I wanted to just show you guys kind of like a day. Make sure you go check out the new posts on the blog. This week's episode of Mood with Lauren Elizabeth, I really liked. You guys loved last week's too. So make sure you go listen to the podcast. Follow me on Instagram for more. Make sure you subscribe so you know when new videos are up, because you know that every single algorithm is all messed up. So you have to subscribe and follow. And I will see you guys in just a few days.